swag, bitch.
Here's a big boy. Brand new. Hey guys, quick little update. I'm gonna start driving now to Orlando to pick up the turbo kit. Wish me luck. Hopefully everything goes well and I come back with made it to Orlando. Been stuck in this McDonald's drive-thru for like half an hour. I don't know what they're doing, but they're taking forever for each order. The person that's dropping off the turbo said that she's like an hour away, so hopefully by the time I finish eating she'll be here. Guys, here's the pit. As you can see, some of the piping. Can't barely see anything, almost enough space in my car. But yeah, I'll probably do unboxing tomorrow. Well, now I have an hour drive, actually 2 hours and a half to drive. But it was worth it. We got the kid. I'll pick this up back when I get home. Well guys, I just made it home. It's like almost 3 in the morning, but I was able to get the kid. It took a little bit longer than expected because the person who was bringing it had to stop to eat. She drove like almost 7 hours, and then when she got there she had to use the restroom, so she had to leave in the car to use the restroom and then come back with all the other parts. But we had the kid there, and hopefully I'm still missing the injectors and the fuel pump. I'm probably gonna be just running wastegate for now. And then later on, once I save up some more money and have more time, I'll buy the fuel return system, a boost controller, and oil cooler and a better radiator. And then I'll push it probably to a 600. But for now, I think we're gonna be in the like 450ish, maybe 460, 470. We'll see. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Really happy with the whole process. First shout out to a Civic. If you need a good daily, get a Civic, an Accord, or Toyota Corolla Camry. Probably one of the best cars that you can get. It took me there with no issues and back, and it was amazing on gas. I only spent like $30 on gas. It was pretty much a 6-hour drive from there and back. What else? So shout out to the guy for keeping his word, for putting everything there, even putting like stuff that he didn't need it to put. Shout out to the girl that drove from there. She had to drive the most, and she was really patient when we're trying to figure out the payment. So yeah, overall, like everything went as planned. The only things that I left a little later than I would have wanted to, but other than that, I'm super happy. The only thing that he said that he couldn't find was the O-ring for the blow-off valve, but it's only like it's a little rubber that costs like $7-8, so it's not a huge thing. He said that he would try to find it, but if not, I already found a website to buy it. So yeah, other than that, everything else seems to be there, and everything looks new. The only thing that doesn't really look new is the oil pan spacer, because he put it on the car. But I mean, it's just new. It's just he put the RTV, so I just have to remove the RTV before putting it on the car. Here's a quick little pic of the kit. Oh shit, what's this here? So it's a turbo card, turbo blanket, some clamps, filter. Lift this out. lines with turbo, all-pan spacer. He has the the oil pickup spacer extension, whatever you want to call it. Wastegate. Here's the big boy. Brand new. More clamps. Blow valve. Another wastegate. That's gonna be RTD, whatever. Guessing these are the intakes. These are the intakes for the turbo. This is for the power steering. These two are the motor mounts. More clamps. Yeah. There are more clamps there. All the lines are already plugged. I think that's everything that is in this box. Some more little stuff there. Turbo car. Yeah. So here's the rest of the piping. And I'm gonna be able to show you the intercooler, which is a Soho intercooler.